everyone, welcome back. Did you watch an entire ad in Atlas Earth but then got unable to show ad? Please try again later instead of your reward. Here's the fix and what you need to know. First, know that Atlas Reality has confirmed that they are unfortunately unable to manually credit missed ad rewards. This is stated directly in their help center, so the most important thing is to stop the issue from happening again rather than trying to recover past missed rewards. The main cause of this unable to show ad error after a completed ad is a broken ad network handshake where the ad played correctly but the reward confirmation signal broken and ad failed to return to the game. Force close Atlas Earth from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh on a clean session. The ad system reinitializes its connection to the ad network and most players find ads rewards correctly again. Afterward, if it keeps happening across multiple ad attempts, go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, scroll down and find Atlas Earth and then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and then reinstall it fresh from your App Store. Since a corrupted local ad state is the next most common cause of persistent reward failure. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen for a fresh ad session, then offload and reinstall if the reward failures keeps on happening. Atlas Reality cannot credit missed rewards, so fixing it going forward is priority, and that's it. Subscribe.